Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple crab gravy. We are going to use freshly ground masala to make this, and I'm going to give you all the exact ingredients list in the description box below so that it would be easier for you to take a snapshot. Come on, let's get started. I'm going to make this in a mud pot today. I have taken half a kilo of crabs, cleaned it well using turmeric powder, and now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and a little salt and cook it for 10 minutes. And here to a kadai, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. And to this, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic and 15 small onions. Saute this until they are well cooked. And now I'm going to add 1 tomato that I have roughly chopped, and coconut, maybe around 4 pieces, which I have chopped finely. Saute this well. To this, I'm going to add little salt. We have already added salt to the crab, so be careful when you add salt. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Saute this well until all the raw smell from the masalas goes away. And now we'll turn off the flame, let it cool down and grind it into a smooth paste. And now I'm going to add the ground paste to the cooked crab. And now I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Mix this well and let it come to a boil so that all the masalas will get inside the crab pieces well, so that it would not taste bland. And now we are going to make a tadka for this. To the same pan, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. When it is heated up, I'm adding mustard seeds as required and grated ginger for the extra flavor and curry leaves. And now I'm going to add this to the crab gravy. So this gives an awesome flavor, and also the fragrance would be amazing. Definitely do not skip this step. Mix it well. And just after a few seconds, you can turn off the flame and serve it with hot piping rice or even with idlis and dosas. It would taste amazing. Do try this and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.